Fernando, it's saying
Yeah.
you had your debut on Wednesday. First of all, how did you feel like playing for Kotoko for the very first time?
Yeah, it was a proud moment for me to make my debut and help the team to win.
What was the thinking like? What was the emotions in the lead up to the game and you being called up to warm up to go in? What was the feeling, the whole mood like for you?
Yeah, like I said, I always ready to play. Anytime I'm called upon to do that, I was just ready to do my thing.
Fernando, are you aware that there's loads of expectations on you based on the clips that people watched when you signed to this club? Do you read those comments and what do you take from?
Yeah, me, I don't like normally read comments, but I heard some. So me coming to this team, I know what they expect from me. It's what you expect you get.
So joining the game at that late minutes, were you looking to impact the game, or you know what you are capable of? That's the kind of way I
Yeah,
want
you
to
know
know.
when you are in the bench, you always like focus on the game, so that when you go inside, you know what you should do. You know your opponent weakness and everything. So following the game from the first half, I see how they were playing and everything. So and the coach tell me what to do when I go inside. So I just follow what the instruction of the team.
Fernando, there's been lots of criticism as to our inability to score more, looking at the talent pool and our attacking potentials. How do you take this criticism, and what do you think as a team, especially in the being part of the forward line, what do you think you need to do to change that narrative?
Yeah, for me, I think that's not a problem. It's not really a big problem for us because as long as we are winning games, and every team do have this moment which you don't score many goals. Attack will not score, but as long as we are together and we keep winning our games, it's not a problem. There will come a time where the striker of the team will score, even me myself. So it's not a problem for us. I'm happy it's happening when we are starting the season. So we work on that and come out good.
How would you say that, or how would you rate your time with the team? It's 2 months now since you've been with the side. How's your relationship with the boys? Who has been your best friend, and how have you been coping?
Yeah, I must say I must really say thank you to my teammates and the management, the way they welcome me and everything. So everything is good. Everything is good. Moving to new environment is not always that easy, but they make it easier for me. So everything is going on well. So
Yeah.
everybody's my friend. So I don't really have because we are teammates.
Yeah.
You can't say this one is a friend, this one. So we are all together in this. So
But
we are a team.
there's always one particular guy that worries you a lot. You worry a lot that
Yeah,
you get
Lord.
along with. Who
Yeah,
is that
Lord.
person?
Yeah, Lord always tease me something like that. So I must say, Lord, we always talk a lot. So should be him.
So he's the guy that you play a lot with.
Yeah, not a, like normal play. Like we always like talking a lot, communicating. So
There are times we seen you worrying Ansu, and yesterday you were trying to mimic what the coaches do on the bench when the going is get tough. Can you repeat it? How do they react when you are on the bench and they are calling the boys? The reaction.
it's always good. Sometimes it happens when the going get tough. You know, everybody wants to like help each other. So
But yesterday you were mimicking the coach, like trying
Yeah,
to.
I was just making because I was watching the coaches. So
And what did he
sometimes,
do?
sometimes when they are doing their thing, so
You look at
you
them.
just look at
So
them.
what was he doing exactly? Exact thing that he was doing on the touch.
I was calling some players' name and saying, you have to do this, you have to do that.
And
So it was not.
who were the names that he was mentioning? What was his name?
Peter, blah, you have to.
And what exactly was the message?
You know, sometimes I don't hear all this Ghana language, so it's not all.
But you can repeat what he said.
I can't remember.
Though you don't understand the language, but the sign is also a language on its own. So, what are some of the gestures that?
Yeah, it's just word of encouragement from the technical crew. Hey, Peter, you have to come close. You have to come close. Peter, you have to take on. Ablo, you have to go hard.
That's what will actually happening.
So it's good.
So when you were coming in, what was the message to you?
Yeah, normal. They just give me some guidelines. Sometimes to go and do my thing. It's not much.
How would you rate the potential of this team? Do you think that the team has not gelled yet, and at the right moment they will just explode, or you feel that this is what you can offer?
Yeah, we know we have not gotten to our peak yet because, like I said, we came new. It's a new team, so game on games we are going to get better. So for me, it's not going to take a lot of time, but I know it's going to take a lot of time because we are new players and we get to know each other, understand each other in the field. So one game at the time, we are going to understand each other very well.
Fernando, the games are coming very quick and it's a very tight contest, and we aim to be at the top. How are you guys preparing, and how are you personally trying to be ready and join the group?
Yeah, we are preparing well, very well. We know we have to do much better. We have to score a lot of goals. So we are doing the work and it will come.
On Sunday, we are going to host a team that's very stubborn. They play like in the academy style, very quick and very direct also. Well, what would be your preparation towards that game, your discussion among the team, and then the approach? What do you aim to do on Sunday?
Yeah, nothing but victory. We have to do everything possible to get the 3 points. So because we really need the 3 points to still go up there. So we are preparing very well and we know we are going to do well on Sunday.
What will be your message to the traveling fans who will be interested in coming to watch the game? What sort of football are you going to sell out? What will be your message to them?
Yeah, my message to them is always because fans are always the most important thing, to support us when we are down and to still support us when we are not doing good. So I just want them to come out and support us and cheer us to victory.
During the unveiling in the interview, I remember you made a statement saying that for those who have not watched you, your game is like Vinicius or Mbappe. People took it out of context and they were saying that you said this and that. What did you exactly mean by your statement?
Yeah, as a player, the kind of
players that your
players
game is
like you is your game of play, and you watch them play and you learn some things from them. So Vinicius has been the best player in almost 2 years now. So I know I do some of the things he does. I'm quick, I do whatever he does and I try to learn more from him. So it's just a normal thing for fans to turn it around and make a joke of itself. But
I remember you said you play like Vinicius or Mbappe.
Yeah.
But the narrative out there was that they said, according to you, you play like Mbappe and Vinicius combined. But that wasn't what you said. You said you
Yeah.
play like this, or
Yeah, I said I played like they are my kind of.
because they are wingers.
Yeah,
Yes,
because they are wingers and I'm a winger also. So like our game is like
you have
in
similarities.
similarity of the same pattern of play that I play. So maybe that's where he got it all wrong.
Okay. Fernando, wish you very well and wish you all the best for Sunday. Hoping you get on the score sheet or you get an assist for yourself.
Sure.
All
Thank
the
you.
best and thank you for coming.
Thank you very much.